everyone! So finally dumating na yung order ko from Lazada. And ito yung mga tea na in-order ko. Actually, second order ko na to. So this is from Ahmad Tea. Nag-order talaga ako from their official store. So ito yung first na pinili ko. Ito yung cold brew, lime and lemon. And every time na mag-order ka sa kanila is meron talaga silang binigay na official receipt. And may free sila na 5 tea bags. Lahat pala ng in-order ko is buy one take one to, kaya sulit na sulit yung bayad ko dito. Mostly pala ng in-order ko is flavored black tea. So, ito yung black currant, peach and passion fruit flavor, and then yung isa is green tea, lemon vitality. Each boxes pala is meron siyang 20 tea bags. So, yung in-order ko is 8 boxes. So, matagal-tagal itong mauubos. What I did with my tea is ilalagay ko siya together with a slice of lemon and then lagyan ko siya ng ice and ilagay ko sa tumbler. Maganda talaga ang quality ng Ahmad Tea kaya no worries talaga kayo dito. So, ayun lang. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!